Hey friends, this is Atif Opir Val and welcome to the new update on Alchemy. In my earlier videos, I was showing you that the price of Alchemy was dropped down at a very long-term support of 2 cents. And this was one of those videos, by the way. Now, if you take a look at the live chart, and this was the support that I was showing you, and at the same time, stochastic was completely oversold. And therefore, I was telling you that on the 7 days time frame chart, stochastic is completely oversold. Therefore, now we may see a price reversal, or at least we may see a price correction to the upside. And you can see that the price is now geared up from the support of 2 cents. This was the support. Recently, the price is bounced from this support, and previously it was working as support here and support here. And now, again, it is working as a very nice support here. It was also working as support. You can see that we had a long spike up to this 2 cent support here in the month of April 2024 as well. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this previous breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern. You can see that Alchemy is forming different bullish bias patterns. Like first it broke out this big falling wedge pattern, and after that it formed another falling wedge pattern, broke it out as well. And by the way, this was another smaller falling wedge pattern. We broke it out. And you can see that every time it was getting rejected by this long-term resistance of 5 cents, we got rejection here. Then we formed this wedge. And after the breakout from this wedge, we had another pump and got rejected by this 5 cents resistance once again here. And this time we had a long spike after the breakout from this wedge and from this descending triangle. We had a long spike beyond this resistance of 5 cents, but could not break it out. And in fact, we also could not break out this long-term downtrend line resistance as well. That is, by the way, coming from here from the month of January 2022. You can see that we got rejection here, and rejection here, rejection here, rejection here. And now, despite this long spike, the person could not break it out. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this move. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for Alchemy that I shared a few days ago on 7th of March 2025 with my members. And so far, this signal has produced almost a more than 35% pump. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video description I've shared. Let's start analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Alchemy that I shared a few days ago on 7th of March 2025 in the members. And that was a bullish candle pattern that Alchemy completed with Bitcoin pair on a daily time frame chart. And this was a complete trade setup, buying on, sell targets on, and the stop loss. And now if I play the chart, then you can see that the price has started a very, very nice reversal from this buying zone, and read the sell target zone here. And so far, it has pumped almost 35%. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the link to join me there in the video description you can find. Now, let's move to the live chart of Alchemy. And first of all, let me show you the daily time frame. And here you can see that a few days ago, we broke out this descending triangle, and after the breakout we had a nice pump, but the pricing got rejected by this long-term resistance of 5 cents. If you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this 5 cents has been previously breaking as a resistance here, and almost as a resistance here as well. Therefore, again, worked as a very strong resistance. And on this 7 days time frame chart, you can see that we also have this very long-term downtrend and resistance as well. Previously, we got rejection here. First time we got rejection here on 10th of January 2025. Then we got another rejection here on 11th of March 2024, on 25th of March 2024, and here on 2nd of December 2024. And now recently, we got several more rejections. Despite these long spikes, the price could not break it out, and now it was dropped down here at this long-term support of 2 cents. At the same time, stochastic was completely oversold. Therefore, I was telling you that now there is a probability that we may see a price reversal from here. Right now, Alchemy is trying to break out this another very strong resistance of 2.68 cents that was recently working as a resistance here. You can see that we got few rejections here. Before that, it was working as a resistance here as well. Let me remove this trend line. Here you can see that we got few rejections. And now again, it is working as a very, very strong resistance. The price and is trying to break it out. If you take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can see that we have broken it out, and now the price and is retesting this resistance as support. But on the 7 days time frame chart, still it is trying to break it out. And after that, the next resistance will be here at 3.25 cents. That was previously breaking as a resistance here for a few weeks. And before that, it was working as a resistance here and support here. Therefore, it can also break other strong resistance, and at the same time, the pricing can also hit or slightly higher than this resistance of 3.2 cents. We will have this downtrend line resistance as well. Now, if we take a look at the targets, then we have already hit the target for the breakout from these all patterns. We have already achieved the target for this bullish guideline pattern as well. But still a very, very big move due, and that is the target for the breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern. That target is here at the top of this side. That is approximately at 10 cents. So this also update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.